Hi there, I'm Richard. Welcome to Burning Spears. I had some coals left over from a cook I've just done, and I had some chicken wings left over from a video that I did yesterday. So Sunday evening, and I thought, why not run off the chicken wings? So I thought, what better opportunity to show you possibly the easiest way to braai chicken wings and get a really, really nice flavor. So very simply done. I'll get into the ingredients and we'll get cooking. I won't keep you long. So basically nothing fancy at all here. I have, of course, the chicken wings. Then I've got salt, freshly ground black pepper, and lemons. Freshly squeezed lemons always. So I'm going to mix them in a bowl. It's very simple to do it that way, to toss stuff. Not just salad, can be tossed in a bowl. Right, so the initial stage, get the chicken wings in. Here's a kilo of chicken wings here. I wish there were 2. There's a couple of feathers too, which I've removed. Okay, so apart from the lemon juice, I'm going to be quite heavy on peppers. This is going to be lemon and pepper chicken wings. So lemon's got to be prominent. And a lot of pepper, more than you would ever think of adding. And you want to go by eye on this. You want a beautiful liberal coating of black pepper on your chicken wings. For me, you really can't have too much black pepper, but a lot of people don't even like it, so all to their own. And just when you think you've put too much pepper on, you go with a little bit more. Try to target the areas that haven't taken too much pepper. So there probably would have been a full tablespoon there. And again with the salt. You want to be heavy on the salt. These must be salty, peppery, sour chicken wings. Probably 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And when you feel your chicken wings, you want to feel the grains of salt. Otherwise you haven't had enough. There we go. Happy with that? So as tempting as it is to go hard and fast on your chicken wings, you want a medium zone so that they can chill and cook through, because chicken on the bone is notorious for not cooking through when you need it to. So I'm just going to get a higher bed over there and a lower bed over here. So I've got the best of both worlds. Always keep one log on for the smoke. You want it to smolder nicely on the side. Incidentally, this is my pani that I'm using. I got a whole truckload the other day. So great in the UK to get access to these premium Southern African hardwoods. Just love it. Okay, so I'm aiming for about 6 seconds here. Still a little hot. And that should be banging at about 4, something like that. You just always want a really hot zone for when you're lacking on getting your char on the cooler side. It might cool down a little bit quickly, depending on what fuel source you're using. But luckily, when we braai, we use hardwood, good South African thornwoods, so it's not really a problem. But you always want that extreme zone just to get that char should you be lacking the ability to here. Of course, always watch it when you're on there. So I'm going to give this 5 minutes, drink some more wine, and get merry. Right, let's get these puppies on. So in the beninging, you shouldn't have too much noise going on. There was a light sizzle when I put these on the hotter side. Nothing over here. And it's settled down now. So that's still really hot. I can move it back and forth just to have good heat control and get the desired result. So really good. These Mopani coals just keep on giving. Okay, nearing the end, so now I'm going to hit it with lemon. Right, so straight off the fire, this is quite important to do this immediately. Believe it or not, more salt, because a lot of that will have dripped off into the fire. Don't really need to add more pepper, but what the hell. And then lemon juice. And you want to toss. And more lemon juice. Back on the fire for a couple of minutes, then we should be done. Right, there we have it. Should be beautifully peppery, lemonized, salty, as you might have guessed. So let's get to trying them. I haven't, as you can see, it's still steaming. That lemon just adds so much life, so much zing. And of course, they really benefited from a slow cook. The color, the caramelization, the flavor. It's just beautiful. These were on, crikey, must have been 40 minutes, maybe an hour. And the pepper's gone all woody. You got that burn from the pepper. So it's softened it a lot. It's not such a pepper punch. I might patent that. So, Sunday night, let me get ready for work. Hope you enjoyed the simplest of chicken wings done on the braai. And like and subscribe. Please do like if you enjoyed this video. And please subscribe if you haven't. Really, really important. And thank you very much. Hope to see you again soon. And that's it.